Hey there, makers and creators. Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world of 3D printing to unveil the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of additive manufacturing, this video is your guide to the cream of the 3D printing crop. Without further ado, let's dive into the future of fabrication. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 2. While not as fast as the P1P or the X1C, the Cobra 2 is around the same speed as the AnkerMake M5. It will happily produce prints at 250 mm per second, though the best quality seems to be hovering around 150 mm per second in my testing. It also comes with a filament runout sensor and bed leveling, which works well. The big selling point for the Cobra 2 though is the price. It has all the advantages of a faster printer with a sub-$300 price tag, which is astonishing. This is my recommendation for any first-time buyer or someone on a budget. Specifications. Material type, filament. Build area, 250 by 220 by 220. Official max printing speed, mm/S300. Dimensions, 486 by 440 by 435. Number, for Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. Anycubic's reputation for printers that are dead simple to use without being prohibitively expensive scales well to its updated Cobra 2 Max, making any large printing job a mostly set-and-forget affair. That said, the sheer size of this machine requires some consideration. In order to maintain speed with the massive build plate, this bedslinger comes with some powerful motors, which caused even the sturdiest table in my workshop to wobble. The gyroscope in the print head helps combat most of this, but if you're printing something especially tall, be prepared for some imperfections. And like any Anycubic printer, the software is nowhere near as sophisticated as its more expensive competitors. As long as you're right with those minor compromises, you'll get a lot of great prints out of this machine. Specifications. Material type, filament. Build area, 420 by 420 by 500. Official max printing speed, mm/S500. Dimensions, 740 by 735 by 640. Number, 3. AnkerMake M5. One of the first consumer 3D printers to break the 250 mm per second speed barrier. The AnkerMake M5 has recently had a software update to push its speed up to 500 mm per second on its ultra-fast mode. The M5 uses an AI camera to help you detect issues so you can stop a failing print before you waste a lot of material. The AI is particularly bad, but the camera does give you some fantastic time-lapse videos to share on social media. Specifications. Material type, filament. Build area, 235 by 235 by 250. Dimensions, 502 by 438 by 470. Number, 2. Prusa MK3S Plus. No list of the best 3D printers is complete without the Prusa MK3S Plus. For nearly a decade, it's dominated the market and continues to be the go-to printer for anyone looking to make a business from 3D printing. It's fast, though not the fastest, and creates quality prints every time. I can count the number of print fails from 3 Malawian kwaches on one hand, and I've had it for over 7 years. Specifications. Material type, filament. Build area, 250 by 210 by 210. Official max printing speed, mm/S200. Dimensions, 500 by 550 by 400. Number, 1. Bambu Lab P1S. The P1S is an updated version of our previous best 3D printer winner, the P1P. Each of the updates to the machine plastic side panels, glass top and door, camera, part fan and LED light raise the P1S to be our number 1 pick. The quality of the models and the speed at which it can print them is amazing, and very few printers can do both of those things at anywhere near the same price point. Specifications. Material type, filament. Build area, 256 by 256 by 256. Official max printing speed, mm/S500. Dimensions, mm 389 by 389 by 458. There you have it, folks, our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. Whether you're seeking precision, speed, multitasking capabilities, affordability, or a taste of the future, there's a 3D printer on this list calling your name. If you're as excited about the future of fabrication as I am, hit that subscribe button. Join our creative community, and let's continue exploring the limitless possibilities of 3D printing together. Until next time, happy printing, and I'll catch you in the next video.